Being the one chosen for first prize, it was a happy moment, but also emotional. The work that I've been putting in was beginning to be recognized. The name of the company is African Grow and Glow, and we sell all natural hair care and skincare products. My grandmother was an entrepreneur, and she was my inspiration for creating it. Starting a business is definitely difficult. It's all about consistency when it comes to having a business. You get out of the business what you put in.
So African Grow and Glow will create products that are not only good for your health, but good for the soul.
Wolfie Tank was terrifying. Being on stage in front of now like 100+ people with people who know the business side of things, it was definitely nerve-wracking, but I kind of just pushed myself to like take a jump. With the prize, it's gonna help fund a trip to Liberia. I wanna go down there, start connecting with the women in that area, but also looking for a possible site that could function as the education center and the production site. At first, it's really overwhelming. You feel like there's no way that I can balance both my academics and my business, but just know that you will see a return in the long run. So just keep pushing.